Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to show taskbar in this right side. As we can see, we have this taskbar in right side. So to show taskbar in this right side, firstly guys, you need to create a restore point in your Windows 11, and to create restore point, click on start and search here restore point. Open restore point, this setting, create a restore point. Now here you have to click on system protection, create restore point, give any name. Then create it. Now just wait for a few seconds till this process will complete. Now once this is complete, close and restart your system. After restart, open any web browser and visit this website page. I will give link in description, this one. Now download and install this software. Once you successfully installed this software to your Windows 11, right click on this taskbar, then here click on properties. You will see this window. Here click on this primary taskbar location on screen. Click here and select like top, then restart. So now we have this taskbar in top bar, and also you can select right or left or bottom. That's it. And also guys, you can set as a default. Click here and select default. And if you want to uninstall this software, so click here start, search here add or remove programs. Now search this software which we downloaded here, this one Explorer Patcher. So click on this three dot and uninstall it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.